it. How cute.
Oh, don't bite
Oh.
He was after wee-wees. I don't know what that's all about. You might want to move him out of there. I don't know. It might get Romeo upset.
Oh,
No,
look how
they're all just
cute.
playing.
What are you doing, Rob?
That don't look so nice.
It's like a dog porn.
Dog porn.
Where's your
USA.
mother?
Upstairs.
It's the Palmer dog porn. No, Romy clipped over one time before. It was funny.
Always gonna get you, Romy.
She thought that you left because you were mad or
Oh,
something.
no. I had to eat.
Oh,
What was I
okay.
gonna do?
I know, but then we called you.
I know. I
but-
promise you, I'm not upset in any way.
Well,
shape,
that's
or form.
good.
I went to Panera's.
Oh,
I
okay.
had a salad, a soup.
Oh,
I
okay.
thought about going to the diner, but I figured
Mom, Jack's back.
Panera's.
All right, send
You
it
better
to,
watch
send it
these
to Amanda.
dogs. Look.
Look how
they're
cute.
playing.
We love you, Chin
Look at this.
Yeah. How nice Romeo was with them. Look.
Hey. Yeah.
Jada doesn't want anything to do with them,
No,
but
huh? Jada wants nothing to do with them?
Not really.
Well, no, she does. I mean, you know, she just doesn't want to mess with them.
Oh my God, you have to get a picture of that.
I'm
We got-
videoing it
We're
for
videoing.
Amanda.
Yeah.
He would never do this.
No.
You know.
Chris is nuts.
Yeah, he is a little wacky. I think this goes beyond being a.
Rob, this video's better. I'm gonna post this one instead.
Well, if it gets too long, that's the only thing. You got to make a short
Oh.
clip, or else it's gonna be too long.
Alright, I'm done then.
Could you make a little
Look,
video?